Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Super box. Okay, different booklet here. There's the mouse itself. It's pretty small. I'll be using for travel, so small is good. There's a USB port here. There's a USB cable. And it has a dongle here in case you want to use 2.4 gigahertz. This supports Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz. And you can turn it on and off the switch. Some buttons here. Sure, this one's DPI. Not sure what this one is. Yeah, that's it. If you're interested in this mouse, the link will be in the description below. And using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.